So current update for the Windsor site. We've completed the mechanical installation, which means all the trackers are done. The module installation, which are the glass solar panels, are complete as of today as well. We're wrapping up with the DC string wiring and the CTAC wiring, which are the conductors and controllers for the solar array that brings everything back to a central location. The inverters and transformers have all been set. We are in the process of testing all the conductors to make sure they're good, and then we'll start landing those. And ideally, by the end of next week, we'll be doing our tie-in to PVREA's point of interconnect, and then we can begin commissioning of the system. As far as the Cary site, they are probably a few days behind where we're at. They're in the process of finishing up modules and trackers as well.